Isn't it adorable? Hello, I'm Danielle, the author and illustrator of Mischief, a pancake surprise. And on the Mischief channel, I teach you about our amazing world through art, science, and craft projects. Today, I will show you how to make a caterpillar puppet. Here's what you need. Glue, a needle, green thread, 7 pom-poms, 4 popsicle sticks, 2 small bobble eyes, 1 black pipe cleaner, and scissors. For the first step, glue the popsicle sticks in the shape of an X. We will do 2 of them. Set those aside to dry. Take the green thread and thread it through the needle. Now thread on the pom-poms. Give yourself about a foot of thread on each side of the caterpillar so you can attach it to the control handles. So we will loop it around like this and take our needle and pass it through the little hole we created. Make a loop again. Put the needle through the loop and tie it down. Okay, cut off the needle. And then you'll want to do that again to the other side. All our caterpillar needs now is eyes and antennas. Let's add the bobble eyes. For the last step, we will add the antennas. You'll want to cut the black pipe cleaner about right here. Now bend the pipe cleaner and glue it onto the caterpillar. You will do the same thing on both sides. Now that your caterpillar is all done, you can take it outside to play with it. I bet it will go on lots of fun adventures. I had so much fun making this caterpillar puppet with you. If you had fun too, like the video below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please check out my book, Mischief, a pancake surprise. In the book, the moose claims he's the best chef in Alaska. But is that simply ridiculous? Buy the book to find out.